Good afternoon. My name is Mitch Eilerman with RV Wholesalers. Today we're going to look at a 2023 Thule Rize 18A Class B motorhome. This is going to sit on a Dodge chassis. One thing real nice about these Class B motorhomes is they're very compact. You don't have to, feel like you're overwhelmed. It's just like driving a normal, SUV type of vehicle. So it's very comfortable for people to use. It's going to be jam-packed with a ton of different features. You're going to have a retractable roof with the top ceiling area up above with the AC. It's going to have the Thule bike rack and rear door. Also coming in, it's going to have a very clean look to it. It's going to be a very modern look, lighter colors, brightness. So it's just jam-packed with a ton of features. Hey, my name is Mitch Eilerman. I'm with RV Wholesalers. Today we are going to look at a 2023 Thule Rize 18A, a Class B motorhome. It's going to sit on a Ram chassis. What's pretty cool about this layout is we're going to start right up top. It has a raisable roof for your bed up top. It's going to feature the Thule awning that'll come out. It's got LED lights, the van door that'll slide shut. We'll go inside and look at that next. As we come to the back here, you're going to notice you've got Thule everything basically. So you've got your bike rack on the rear door. You're going to have the retractable roof up top. Coming to the back here, you've got another place. This is pretty cool how this works. So you've got this can be laid down for another sleeping area besides up top. It's going to have backup camera. To slide this, basically all you do is bring your cushion here, and then this will just slide right over. So it makes it easy as far as being able to open that up, give you all your walk space. As you can see on the back here, you've got basically you're going to have your kitchen area, sitting area for your booth back here. You've got storage down below here, storage here. They've got all types of storage throughout the whole coach, all your plugins and everything here as well. Coming around to this side, well, with an awesome frameless tinted safety glass windows all the way through. All your Phillips and everything are right here as well. You also got all your plugins here. You're going to have all your plugins for your power, your different satellite cable jacks and stuff there as well. Next, we'll go on the inside and show you the different things on the inside as well. Moving up to the front here, so in the driver's seat here, you've got your power shifter right here to put you in drive, reverse, neutral, and park. Awesome touchscreen up front here. You can put all your nav. You can do everything there. You've got your keys here. You got a place to hang your different things there. Bunch of cup holders. They use this non-carpet, almost like a floor mat material up here, which is nice. You can just wipe that off, sweep that right off. You don't have these carpet fibers anymore that get all stained up and everything as well. Nice seats, almost like a soft leather type of material. Got your visor, so just a lot like a normal Ram van, but you got it in your motorhome as well. Next, we'll move to the back and I'll show you some back stuff. Okay, moving on to the inside. As you come in your sliding door here, you're going to come right up. You're going to have two seats right here, your microwave, more cabinets, and then directly above me is going to be the whole area for the sleeping and everything. As you come to the rear of the coach, you're going to have your sink with your water, your 2-burner cooktop, gas cooktop right there. You're going to have more storage down below here, so you got a ton of different storage here. And then you'll have your wet bath, which will feature your toilet, and it also will close off, and then you'll have your, you can use this as a shower as well. Again, my name is Mitch Eilerman from RV Wholesalers. If you've got any questions at all, feel free to contact me directly. My direct phone number is 937-843-4380. If this Class B doesn't work for you, we can look at different options, different motorhomes and everything. We got a lot of different variety. We have nationwide service and warranty, so we can get you worked on. We sell nationwide, so we can help you get worked on anywhere in the country. Once you take possession, if you ever have any issues or need service or warranty work done, we have nationwide service and warranty to be able to take care of you on that side of things. That's one of the biggest reasons, besides having great pricing, that customers buy from us. So I'd love to help you out, love to make you part of the family. I appreciate you taking the time and going through this motorhome with me today. Thank you.